Hey, Welsh Metals here. Today I'll be assembling a triple charm necklace using a caged amethyst, small clock, watch timepiece, and a custom made 1 gram pure silver bullion charm. Each will be attached to different lengths and different types of chain, as you can see. Shouldn't take too long to assemble these. This one first, the amethyst. Don't actually need that apparently. There we go. There we go. Amethyst. And where would this go on here? Oh, there. Or would it be there? So it was where I had it just then. Quite a thick steel clasp on this one. Harder to open. Nice. And the final piece. Some Swiss silver. Get the split ring. There we go. Quite a tight fit on that, but still good. Wow, that twirls well. So quick look. Try them all on now. That's quite nice, that one, that amethyst chunk. As is the watch. And you've got this pure silver chunk. Pure silver mini bar. Try them on now. Give me a second. Get my hair out of the way. Damn it. Pulled the chain apart while putting it on. So me. It is the large chain though. And I can't see what I'm doing. It's behind my neck. Looks quite nice. Watch next. This is quite heavy, this one. It's a little chain. Not sure what they'll look like wearing them on. And the last longest piece. Hair's in the way. I have very long hair. Okay. Pull my hair from under the chains. Oh dear. No, all tangled up. Oh, I'm good. quite nice. Bit tangled, but that's just me. Well, there we go. So we can get back focus. Shiny. Well, till next time.